Hi everyone, Chef Petey here. I'm not going to be cooking today. I want to do something fun. I want to show you how I make an apple swan. It's a great way to impress your family and friends by making a couple of these for your next party platter. Or just to teach your kids to be creative. Kids, please ask your parents before you attempt to do this at home. I don't want to be responsible. Okay, if you're ready, let's get to work. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. You need some toothpicks, a couple of apples, and a very sharp knife. And if you have a pair of chopsticks, what I do is I taped it on a piece of board, so it wouldn't move on me. And it's about a 1/4 inch or so. All right. So we're gonna start. You're gonna cut this down about a half. Okay, you're going to remove the stem. You're going to remove the seeds because you're going to need those for the eyes. And what you're going to do is cut a piece right about there so that the body will rest flat. Okay? Now, you're going to make the neck and the head right in the middle of this. So you're going to go right about there and right about there. Okay? Here, you're going to make the beak right there and the neck right there. And you're going to trim this so it's flat. Oh, hold on one sec. I'm gonna cut this in half. This is too big. And you're gonna press it in like that. Then you're gonna get a toothpick. And you're gonna push it into the neck part. The body goes right there. Okay, so you got this part already. Okay, now we're gonna start working the wings. So you're gonna go about a 1/4 inch. Go down until it stops at where the chopstick is. Flip it over. Okay. You can do it again. You can do it again. This is just something I picked up over the years, being a chef. It's kind of fun. And usually we have like New Year's Eve specials, and we make a couple of these for our fruit platter. Sometimes gonna work it a little bit just to get it out. There you go. All right, now I'm gonna work this on this one now. Again, about a 1/4 inch or so. Oops, no, that one broke. Actually, no, it didn't. Now just assemble it. There you go. Here's an apple swan. That's edible. And then what you do is you can decorate it with, you know, some parsley or some lettuce on the bottom. I'll do another one. Yeah, you know, green apple is good. It's just a different variety. It'll be nice. So you want to go down, right down the middle here. Remove the stem. You're going to find where it rests. You're going to cut about just a little piece so it just sits flat. There you go. Okay, now you're going to go on the side or the top here. Again, you want maybe about 3/4 of an inch or so for the neck. Just angle it like so. Save the seat. Cut out the neck. Get the beak. Flatten the part for the toothpick. On the body. Okay, now we're going to work on the wings. There you go. Okay guys, what do you think? Looks alright? So I hope you have fun with these. And if you wanted to make it so it doesn't turn brown, what you want to do is spray it with lemon juice. And then that'll keep for a while before it browns. But other than that, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. And please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of cooking stuff coming. And I will see you on my next cooking video. Take care. Bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.